We're gonna get some parts off of my parts 1855 to answer a question that occasionally comes up involving the pump drive. Hello everybody, this is Chris. We're going to answer the question, can I put one of these later cooler pump hydraulic pump drives in an early tractor that only has the hydraulic pump drive without the cooler pump? So I went out to my parts 1855 and robbed this one, or took this one off. I guess it's not robbing from yourself. And so what I'm going to do is pull this one out and see how well that one fits in. I've been told it's not possible. I've been told it's possible. And so this should answer the question, is it possible? Definitely want to keep the shims with that one. I don't even know which way. This way would be up. All right. I can get the bolt holes on the shims to line up. This one ain't staying in there. This is just an experiment. Well, I can see the first reason it's not going to work. Check out the angle of the teeth on here, and then we come over here to the one that was in it. These teeth are going this way, those teeth are going that way. So to make this work, I'm not saying it won't work, but it's going to be quite the teardown. It's not just slide it in, because you gotta you're going to have to change this gear to match up to the later shaft that has the teeth cut in the opposite direction. That's as far as I can get it in. The bolt holes line up, the shims line up, so that ain't an issue. I do believe that gear is part of the shaft, so if you swapped shafts, you're still going to have to customize the gear for the pump that's in there. There's a keyway, and I've got a video on redoing this unit. So I think the short answer is no. Physically it will fit, but the gears will not mesh because they switched the direction of the teeth, and I'm guessing they did that on purpose. Probably for just such of an eventuality. So there we go. Answer the age-old question. Basically, no. Yes, if you want to get the gear too and swap that out, you know, and then you got to have it tore down to like this level where you've got the hydraulic unit off, so you can take that out and swap gears. So is it possible? Yes, with a lot of work. Is it an easy swap? No. So I hope that answers some people's questions. And some of you will probably say, I don't even know what the heck's going on here. But I'm still going to watch. Some of you have probably tuned out. So quick short video just to prove prove whether or not it's going to work? The answer is we're going to go with no. Thanks for watching.